I'm going to show you how to add a recipe to a product so that when a sale is pulled through, the stock of the ingredients is automatically reduced. Before you add a new recipe, you need to make sure that all the ingredients you need are set up. If the product is already on your system, like a spirit you use in a cocktail, then you wouldn't need to add anything additional. If the menu item uses ingredients you don't sell individually, then you add them in the ingredients category here, in the same way that you would any other product. I've already added all my ingredients, so we'll go straight to adding the recipe. I'm going to add a recipe for fish and chips, so I click into the Stock tab and then tick the product has a recipe. I press Add Ingredient and I can just start typing the name of the ingredient here, which searches all of the products and ingredients that are already set up in the system. So I'm adding haddock and I specify the quantity that is used in the recipe here. And then I can add my other ingredients, such as potatoes, which we measure in kilograms, and flour, which we measure in grams. So you'll notice the cost price of the fish and chips has been automatically calculated based on the ingredients I've added. Then if I go back to the main tab, I'll be able to see the GP I'm expected to make. Once I'm happy, I sync the changes to update the EPOS.